Pricing display that recently went into Target stores, a 5-speaker display, and it's been found there's a small audio issue under the loudest volume situations with the highest bass. Sometimes the feedback into the two larger speakers. So we have a procedure that's going to eliminate that problem. In order to do that, first thing I want you to do is turn off the display. We can actually unplug it first. So I'll go around and unplug the display. The other thing I'm going to ask you to do whenever handling electronics is always to touch something metal to dissipate any static charge you might have that would cause any damage to the board. The parts you'll receive for this update are 2 wires, a control chip, and a tool to remove the control chip. We need to spin the display around and take the back off. Okay. We'll remove the back cover by just pulling on the dart clips each spot. There's 5 of them. And just lift the cover out. Set that aside. This is the player board here. We're going to remove this control chip and replace it with this chip here. On this chip, there's a large circle on the left side. There's a small circle on the right side. The large circle goes to the left of the board. So I'm going to show you how to remove that. I'll take the removal tool. You just take it and we grab the left and right side of the chip carefully. We're going to pull that straight out. Take that chip out, set it aside. You do not need that chip anymore. We're going to install this chip. Make sure all of the little prongs are straight. If you bend one, you can rebend it. It's easy enough to reshape them. And we'll make sure that they all line up in the little slots right here. And just push that in. Again, the large circle to the left. That's all you need to do there. The next step, we're going to take 2 jumper wires and connect them between the 2 boards here. Any position is actually workable. We're going to take there's a little slot on the one side that lines up with an opening on the left side, so they do go in one direction. Pop that in. We're going to jump that across. Same thing here. You have a slot that aligns. We're going to pop that in. We'll take the other wire, do the same thing. Any one of these 4 locations here is fine, an open location. We'll pop that one in. Any open location here, you'll see there's another open location on this board. And we're going to pop that in. That's the entire procedure. You can test it by playing the unit, listening for any feedback at the highest sound. Should have eliminated the problem. And just put the back cover back on and plug it back in. That's it.